Who knew this simple technique would help me lose weight 30 pounds in 40 days? Has that got your attention? What is a simple technique? Eat when you're hungry, physical hunger, and stop when you're satisfied. When we eat out of emotional eating, we've learned to overstuff ourselves. Our portions are way out of control. We've learned to clean our plate, and all of that leads to overweight. If you only listen to your hunger, your physical hunger, and stop when that hunger is satisfied, you will find your ideal weight. That's exactly what I do. Is I help my clients lose all the weight they want by stopping emotional hunger. You can get off this diet roller coaster for good. Click below and get my free gift that will help get you started.